So it's 32, you know? Yeah, I don't feel like 23 still. No, I like about that. But when I fix up a happy birthday party. So ready. So Bobby soon a cake and some people. She in the bathroom and flush out her system. So yeah. So later we have dinner and things. See bad shows. Dinner. So later we get a little bath and thing. Yeah, you know the half and thing. So yeah, man. Big up again, you know. Stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe, you know. So big up YouTube, as I say. I'm trying again, you know. Yeah, vlog girl. You know, I'm married a vlog girl. See her there.
No, don't mind how I look, okay?
Pretty when I wake up, see me, man. You know that already. So I'm going to look. Baby, I go on a room tour officially, you know that already. Let's go on a tour our front porch, so see it there. Easy seat, brother. Full of water. Yeah, I go feel nice here now, so I look at the Italian restaurant next door to it. So, yeah, man, I have infinity pool on one part. I'll take time move it so let's see. ROYALTON NEGRIL Luxury Suites. Good morning, good morning. I love you, I appreciate it. I love you night and get out the cake. But I could actually walk with the camera, you know. Go and talk with the camera. Yes, I'm walk, you know. Camera, you know. So, 8 people actually show no again, so it's how the architecture like, see over there. Who says she like it here? But you say about LA vibe? Yeah. We say here LA vibe, so it's our infinity pool, like it meeting in the next pool. See if I can see it good. Actually purple. Yeah, actually purpose will not come around here, so yet, so we left this to the explore today, so we're not try the pool yet because I don't know if I have a swimming pool. So we don't necessarily need to come here, so we have one pool right out room, so oh look at bar life. I love all the infinity pool, look at it. Literally like it coming in with the ocean. Sanitizer. What a pool here, man. It's a pool close to service, but one man. So I bring you to up on the escalator, you know. It's the entertainment guideline, what can I see? I have so much night events, live music. Today now when I'm registering you have this big yard beach party. I love dancer. You know my dad know a party in them I love dancer and I think so I want to fulfill them thing too. So I could see them later. I have some swimming rooms at this side too, I think. I think they tell about we was here, so it's cool right through. Like, oh, see if rooms, the fact that it open, like, you know, the sun is like too hot, like, now that would be the best time to get. Let me catch the sun for Look at that sunrise, man. Give thanks to life. Birthday sunrise, you know, I'm waiting for the sunrise. So, yeah. See there. Go on to show them earth and go for your life, yeah. So, I'm saying I can't do it. I try to cut my birthday cake, so I got see birthday cake. Roll all day. I never want no mask, I never remember. I never want to give me the knife. Because I don't want the knife to cut the cake, so try to get it. So I don't on the beach. I'm actually not come on the beach side yet neither. So the entertainment go on, karaoke go on, that's the last night. We tired, so never pressure to come on. Well, no me, Bobby extremely tired. Me the kind of tired. Because Bobby have to drive and she come do the setup with like the birth party setup, and so she was tired. So we just tell her to rest, babe. And like tomorrow we'll explore and so. I have the dance I forgot to this, so we don't necessarily have to go karaoke last night. But she want karaoke because she want to push me for sing. You see me? So she want me embarrass myself. So I take her with me to the escalator. Yeah? Lord word. Escalation. Yeah, I know I'm not showing much of them, but see then going up. See. So yeah, people, we gotta go back there. Let me say, when the buffet restaurant open, that's when we could get the knife, we got the cake, so I forgot my boy over there. I saw 7 actually still come, I think like 6:40 something now. So, and the buffet restaurant, they down to that side. You know? And think of that. Down that side, so you can't go to 7. For 7, so I go and chillax liquor, then I'll come back. I'm gonna give you a look at history of the silk cotton tree, you know, which is this itself. So, like a nature history, you know, which is good. Read it down here, you know. I know I love knowledge and reading and information, very informative. So, basically, the silk cotton tree is indigenous to the tropical Americas, Jamaica included. And a variety is also found in West Indies, Africa. In the West Africa, sorry. Yeah, variety is also found in West Africa. One of the largest and most visual, spectacular indigenous tree. The silk cotton tree takes more than a century to reach its typical size, up to 40 meters high, and with the diameter of its trunk up to 3 meters, and to develop its dramatic buttress roots. The tree blooms annually and produces fruits that burst open to reveal a ball of silky white fibers inside. So that is it. See, yeah. Cotton tree, see cotton now come off, right? I don't know if you can see them both. That is it, the cotton tree. Cotton history. It's actually like a kid's pool where you have the bucket. But I love because the bucket is supposed to full and turn over. Yeah, that's why they're nice. We don't have a lazy river here, but I like it. I love it. Sunrise, nice sky. Both of them say you have to wait till the buffet restaurant home. 7 o'clock before we can get. Yo, look for my cake! Hold on! Babe!
This is your day.
Yo, this is amazing! All them, yeah. Yo, we never imagined this, the weed I would take for the cake.
Big up to sweetness.
Yo, the most creative.
Woo! Brought my vision to life. Yeah, girl. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Yo, I appreciate love everything.
Blow your candle them now. Make your wish and blow your candle them, sir.
Well, no? Yeah, people. Make my wish on you. That one.
A year piece and not mine. A year cake. You never ask me what is good enough and what is not good enough. Can you guess what it is?
Fruit in it, or cheese in it.
It's cheesecake. It's pistachio.
Oh.
Pistachio cake
Oh, it's pistachio.
and cheesecake. You know how like I would buy like my black forest with the mix with the cheese? Yeah, pistachio. Yeah.
And cheese. Can I say it's something on the cheese?
You know you love nuts.
I love it.
You love nuts.
I love it.
So I had to get you some nuts.
You're the person I want to know.
Yeah, the cake did nice, but it melts out a little bit, so it looks like, you know, but y'all know babe smokes. So we got got 3 split.
Oh,
hi. We got 3 spliffs, you know, a little ashtray. All them something me ear, people. Let me tell you about my baker, Tears of Sweetness. As you guys seen her on the vlog earlier back in December. Yeah, if you're looking for somebody where it's just does an amazing work, holler at her. I promise you guys will not be like, she even surprised me with the cake topper and everything. So yeah, like if you, I mean, no, when it comes on to doing stuff like even with like events and stuff, when people, I like seeing my customers happy and I will go the extra mile, and she is the exact same way. That's how my spirit just take her and we just say like, that is our official baker. She did our wedding cake, she did our wedding like favors, we did like cakes in a jar. She did those, and then for my birthday she threw in extra cupcakes and the picture toppers and
that was amazing.
All of that stuff. And then from Joel, for Joel I wanted a custom cake topper because back home I can do everything myself, but here it's hard and I couldn't get a hold of nobody. And last minute she was like, did you get one? And I'm like, no. Last minute meaning the day before we left. The day before we left in the night when I was confirming times to go meet her, and she was like, no worry yourself, me get my salty out. out. And I was like, bruh, what? So big up herself. I sent her my ideas and this is what she came out with. And I was like, asked Joel, I couldn't believe.
Yeah.
I was like, babe, where the seats? He didn't know what I was talking about, but I'm like, yo, yeah. I was like, yo, the picture. It was better than what I had envisioned. So big up yourself. Cheers to sweetness. You know, I love you long. You know, we love you long time. And you know, say you're stuck with me. So thank you. You love your cake, babe?
Love it.
Okay, I really want you to eat it though.
It is the best thing ever have as a.
You say you never get no birthday cake yet. So your birthday cake, yeah. Anyways, guys, we're gonna start the day soon. So when we finish and come back, we come back.
So babe, hungry, so me I go and vlog. You see me people? You see me people? So this is a Negril 7 mile beach stretch. As you don't know what the softest sand in the earth.
People watch nature, watch the birds. Wow, I don't think I go anywhere and see no animal. Hey, you better try to fly after him here. Don't come over here, so. I seen them in the pool this morning. The blackbird. Good morning. Oh yes, please. Thank you.
You having any coffee or tea this morning?
What kind of tea?
Mint tea. We have a black tea.
Oh, you don't even have to say no more. Can I have a mint tea, please?
Sure.
I agree.
Like a green tea. So we have it on the table for you, right? You can make your way to the buffet.
All right. You ready? Alright.
Here.
It's your birthday.
The blackbird have fly right here. I should ask, I think I saw it. Follow that lady, the rotation. Like, she'll come in. This know them say buffet style. Where you want to start?
I don't even know. You wanna go look at everything first? Okay.
Wow.
Ooh, they do crepes.
Oh, like that. Tutti frutti.
I'm gonna get a crepe. Yes.
Everything them something there, man. See my something here. Gluten free desserts. This is what we need.
We have everything. Cheese, bacon, spinach, everything.
Aki there. Yeah, I know Aki and stewed chicken. Yo, Mexican beef. This is Jamaican.
Liver.
That is, they can pick, who pick from one of the first? What I look for? Yeah, wait. Corned beef, booby, fried dumpling, Aki. You know, so retired.
That's almond chicken.
Oh.
I love like steamed it.
Look at this style. Oh, and chickpeas. I'm not just vegan lifestyle is here.
Steamed okra. That looks like in a coconut milk.
Yeah, vegan.
What the hell is this? Oh, lychee.
They have yogurts.
Yeah, it's like fruit salads. Come on, what is my juice though? Good morning. I'm good, how are you?
We're not ready to pick yourself. Yeah, that's what I look for.
The fruits look real rich and
It
mango.
looks fresh. Look on the pine, it looks sweet.
That's why I said the fruits
pine.
look real rich.
pickles and take all.
Alright guys, we're gonna get what we're getting and then come back because we can't concentrate on the 2 hour. So we just come back and show you what we end up getting, okay?
Yeah, tell the people.
And we don't want him to get miserable.
You
yeah?
get miserable for a
Guys, so that's what Babe got.
Birthday
You know, this is our shared plates. And then me over here. But I'm going back inside because I'm getting a crepe. Right, true. And yeah, June plum and cucumber juice. And I think I want to get a smoothie. The options? Different. Different. Not even necessarily like to say more or whatever, but different. Like, it's a bigger variety, if that makes sense. Like, I don't think I went anywhere and they had like so much options for juice plus smoothies and then like crepes, yogurts, like with all different type of toppings. And can you get thee behind me? Look at him. Joel, this not gonna work for me. Not go comfortable. So guys, yeah, better view now because I was super uncomfortable outside with all the birds. But fried dumpling, ham, plantain, bacon, hash brown, omelet, spinach, onion, ham, bacon, cheese, peppers, mushrooms. That's all that's in here. Aki, stewed chicken, liver, callaloo, omelets, curry chickpeas, callaloo, and bacon. How's your breakfast, birthday boy? Eh? How was your breakfast, birthday boy?
Amazing.
Guys, breakfast is done, but I'm getting a crepe to take with me to the room for snack, you know. So, crepe station in the process. They don't got no bananas, so I can't get my traditional one, but I'm gonna get strawberries and chocolate. Ross, when did they mash up my... Oh, babe, they have walnuts. No, I'm not getting any. Wow.
What is
The Nutella and the strawberries.
You want the...
Yes, honey.
Can I get some pumpkin seed?
what is it, strawberry?
Yes, please.
Brazil nuts.
Stop confusing.
Sachet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Oh, they look so different out the shells.
Yeah.
You need a Pepto?
No, that's the walnut. And the clever.
This one.
He just wants the nuts, yeah.
And the pistachio?
Yeah. Not a sweet, no. That's good enough. Yeah.
Is this enough?
Yeah, that's good enough.
And some of
The walnuts,
Most
please.
of walnuts. Yeah. Love walnuts.
this is good, right?
Yes. Thank you. You could have even put it on the...
Anything else for you?
No, that's everything for me. Thank you so much. You as well. Right, guys. Oh, God.
Cool?
Yeah. Oh, my God. Come like on the night time if you come in here. guys. Cheers to everyone who's waiting to come to Jamaica to have a drink. When you're left in the dust, it's just a fire. I think you're loving me too much. Sunfire.
You hear song, yeah? What them gonna do with this one? Why them do with this?
They know it's your birthday.
Them know?
Okay.
Room. Them know me there. Them know I'm birthday movie.
No more, you're not write it down on the paper.
Oh, that's right. What do them know me listen? You've been scared of love and all it did to you.
You don't have to run. I know what you do.
Room.
It's a simple time, and it can set you free. You don't have to run when you're alone. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. I feel it coming.
Closest thing to my culture.
I feel it coming.
You hear music different.
I feel it coming.
Just listen.
I feel it coming, baby. I feel it coming. Hey, I feel it coming.
Michael, they have to do things different.
So guys, as you can see, we're just all our vibes. I went back to the bar to re-up on our drinks. This is the Royalton special, I don't know. Royalton Blue, Royalton special, I don't know. I just asked for the Royalton Blue drink, yeah? So yeah, just went up re-up at the bar. We were just in the pool for like the longest. Let me see what time now. Just 6 minutes after 12. People today not going anywhere.
Pray for the day slow.
Yo, the day is not going anywhere, yo. Anyway, so it's lunchtime now. So I'm gonna go back and look on the board and see where we can go for lunch. But pretty much everything is right here. So where we are is like really great in a sense, because we're right where the pool, like the main pool and the beach and them something there. And then we have like a jerk hut over there, and there's a food truck, you guys. How many resorts you guys been to that have food trucks? Matter of fact, the only trucks I've seen in Jamaica are ice cream trucks. I don't think I've seen any food trucks, so that is unique in itself alone. I'm excited. I'm going to the food truck place, and then right beside us, they're like literally, if I walk right here and go right there, so like right there, I don't even, if somebody was working right there, I could just be like put out my hand and ask for food. That's how close we are. So there's an Italian restaurant right next door that have pizza for takeout. So I'm just gonna dibble and dabble and try every single thing because baby girl, and then order room service, you guys. I think we ordered room service at like 11 o'clock last night. They're 24 hours. We got like a burger and thing delivered like right to us or whatever. See, as I talk, room service. You see me? So that was a good thing about this resort. Room service is included. Like you get basic stuff like included in your price. Not so far, but I'm just talking about the room service stuff. Like included. I don't think we've got anywhere where we had it included. Like it would be, they would show you the price of what everything costs. But here it shows 0, 0. If you want certain things, there'll be a price on it. But I freaking love that. To know I don't have to leave, I have the option of, if I'm hungry, I'm gonna want to go in a crowd or leave my room to go, I can just order my food and it comes to me. You see me? Yeah, I love that. Fast. They were like 30 minutes or something, and I think we got the call. Royalton, our boss. I feel like every time we go up, like it's just better and better and better than the last time. So it's in order. Yeah, it's in order. Literally, it's in order. Royalton would be 3rd. Ocean would be 2 for me. As much as I loved Ocean, you guys. Ocean will be 2 for me. And I don't know if it's just because of like the room and everything that I got, but I don't know. Royalton, I thought Ocean had a lot of options, but Royalton has a lot of options in terms of amenities, like how Ocean had like the bowling and stuff like that. I don't see anything like that, but they have like parties here. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, like a lot of like activities amongst like just the people, just the people on the resort and stuff like that. And then like they have a whole entertainment sector area specifically for entertainment. It's nice, man. I'm not telling the lie. Royalton Negril. I haven't been to the others, but I know they're bomb too. So White Sands and Blue Waters next. Yeah, girl. Negril is the parish for this trip. Because that's where Babe celebrates most of his birthday. So just thought to bring it back here, and we've never been here together, so why not? You know? So yeah. Gonna finish my drink, finish one of the vibes. When I go get the food, I'll pick back up. Okay? So see you in the next clip. So guys, we're outside.
DJ,
Now the birthday boy, I'm outside. Yeah, I'm getting big up on birthday.
I can't say birthday without I was saying. You see what is that
I mean, everybody gonna know it's your birthday.
I'm calling your white time put on camera.
Anyways, guys, this is where we're at. We're at Nibbles.
Nibbles, I get jerk, chicken jerk, whichever.
Jerk.
Tell me who don't want to pay.
Now we're adding some red and green bell peppers.
And there's a live cooking show going on over there. See one I bar ya so, and then the swim one right there so. Check the infinity pool and the beach over here, you guys. This is Negril 7 Mile Beach. So babe, I said that.
Yeah.
Oh, and then you can walk all the way down the so.
Margarita the summer.
Yeah. Cause when I came, I went to Margaritaville, and then I took one of those boat thingies to hedonism. It took us to hedonism. I just want to see my first. I just want to see my first cocky. Yeah. The one with the rice and peas. I can't get a wing, a jerk wing. Yeah, for the rice and peas. Yeah, with it. Yeah. Please and thanks. And we just want the bar and feel free. So I feel free. Bye, mutes. Just pork. Yes, please. Oh, all right, thank you. Alright. Can I get just pork with all the sides?
Sauce? Thank you, sir.
It's looking beautiful, alright? It's looking beautiful already. Wait to get the knife on the fork and the plate and just dig in.
Yes, please, on both. On both.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, I must say that Chef Roy is my future ex-husband, alright? I need some of the olive oil.
Send some with me support more.
Pick up the same. The senior Big up yourself, with your birthday today.
A seafood truck menu here.
The fruits, fruit cocktail.
Wow, guys, I was just about to really start digging in before I realized I came and showed you guys exactly what we got. So we stopped at both the as you see, as you seen, the local jerk hut and the food truck. So from the jerk hut, let me show you that first. This is what I got. Jerk pork with cocoa bread. And babe got rice and peas, jerk chicken, and jerk pork. And then from the food truck, he got the jerk chicken wrap. I'm not sure what kind of sauce that is. It's not wrapped in no fruits. No, it's not fruits. It's just a type of tortilla. It's not no fruits, babe. Where you hear that? And I got the fully loaded people, may I call them the babe. May I go back for more now? That's all I can't tell them. May I go back for more of my nachos? Yeah. And then they were doing the plus sour cream. Then they were doing the live cooking show, so I got a seasoned rice, seafood seasoned rice with mussels, calamari, and shrimp. You guys, me not know how me drive home, you know, but me have to go drive home. So, you know, this is why I was gonna take the nuts for it, but no. So yeah, guys, me drive all the way. Well, like, except for when the police stop me, I'm gonna come off the driving for about 5 minutes. It was literally just 5 minutes drive left what we did have. Anyways, I'm gonna say I did the drive. Yeah, I did the drive from Portmore to Negril. Okay, like not to Montego Bay, you know, not from Montego Bay to Negril, you know. Not from Hanover. From St. Catherine. Negril. Okay, right, true. Yeah, girl. But I'm gonna dig in. Cause I know my food get cool. I'm gonna dig in, and then whenever we figure out whatever else it is that we're doing, we will come back to you guys and let you know. But tonight is gonna be festive because we're going to a party. I don't care what nobody wants to make a party. We are going to I Love Dancehall. Like, you guys should see how it's being set up. Like, it looks like a literal dance. Like the truss. Yeah, everything looks like and it's on the beach. It's gonna be on the beach, people. Okay, love that for us. I love that for us. Like, I love dancer. Place festive. Royalton, oh no, have a buzz. And big up Yannick. And the girl with it there with her, I never get her name yesterday, the girl with it there with her. But Yannick, big up yourself. Yeah, girl, right, true. Yannick with the 2 E. Yeah. Hey guys, we were absent, but we're back. Babe had a little accident. So, you know, had to mother him back to life. Another liquor, what do we eat? Anyways, we're just chilling because one piece of rain did just come down for the place, so we're just out here taking in some music. Which, yo, the music selection from yesterday till now, I'm not lie, I have a buzz. Yo, there's dancing going on over by the bar. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna zoom in as far. Yeah. Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean?